Hi, I'm Trish Casella. I'm an interior designer, and today we're going to talk about how to make an office with cinder block wall look good. So basically you have three choices. You can permanently cover it, you could temporarily mask it, or you could just ignore it altogether and kind of just make it blend in. So first we're going to talk about ways you can permanently cover it. Well, you can use Venetian plaster, you could use faux stones, and stucco is another thing. Let's talk about masking it though, because masking it is probably a better alternative and it costs less money and you don't have to check with the landlord. So ways you can mask it are bookcases, tall storage cabinets, file cabinets, panels, demountable walls, artwork, murals. I mean, the list goes on and on. You can also get the fabric scrims, which hang on a string, and you can hang it down in front of the wall. Or lastly, you could just go with what you have. You could paint your wall a nice neutral color and make a focal point somewhere else in the room. You could put a bold statement, a piece of artwork, or your company logo. Just something that's going to distract away from the big cinder blocks. My name's Trish Casella. Thank you for watching.